yeah.
I need gears and a carburetor. Now what's that? I should just die.
Yeah.
Like they say, huh? Looks can be deceiving.
Yeah. Yeah, but yours can do still a heck of a lot.
This one time, like dude in the Land Cruiser went up this, and he jumped. Like when he jumped, he landed sideways. He flipped over. He landed here somewhere, but he didn't have a seatbelt, so he like flew out somehow.
Yeah.
Remember?
I remember that. Everyone was running.
They threw him down. I don't know. Somehow he didn't get hurt, but all his pants were wet. He took a piss on himself. I don't know how the fuck
Hey, you would too.
I'm pretty sure I would too.
Yeah.
But I mean, I don't know how he didn't get hurt. He like came out of the roll cage. The roll cage picked him up again, threw him over.
That was gnarly.
I'm watching that pretty much for the first time coming.
Cat, I want you to see this.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Whatever you're doing, it's kind of working.
Huh?
Whatever you're doing, it's kind of working. What video?
Up in the back somewhere.
Okay.
Like out here, I forgot where it is. You drive through it and the mountain's over you. It's pretty badass and it's huge. It's probably like as big as that and you're like underneath.
Are you kidding?
I want you to see it.
That's neat. Yeah, we should do that.